Allusion, it is a noun, an indirect reference, often to a literary work, a hint. To allude to something is to refer to it indirectly. When Ralph said, "I sometimes wonder whether to be or not to be," he was alluding to a famous line in Hamlet. If Ralph had said, as Hamlet said, "to be or not to be, that is the question," his statement would have been a direct reference, not an allusion. An allusion is an allusion only if the source isn't identified directly. Anything else is a reference or a quotation. If Andrea says, "I enjoyed your birthday party," she isn't alluding to the birthday party, she's mentioning it. But if she says, "I like your choice of party music," she is alluding to the party. Aloof, it is an adjective, uninvolved, standing off, keeping one's distance. Elle on the roof felt very aloof. To stand aloof from a touch football game is to stand on the sidelines and not take part. Cats are often said to be aloof because they usually mind their own business and don't crave the affection of people. Altruism, it is a noun, selflessness, generosity, devotion to the interest of others. The private foundation depended on the altruism of the extremely rich old man. When he decided to start spending his money on yachts and sports cars, the foundation went out of business. To be altruistic is to help others without expectation of personal gain. Giving money to charity is an act of altruism. The altruist does it just to be nice, although he or she will probably also remember to take a tax deduction. An altruistic act is also an act of philanthropy, which means almost the same thing. Ambience, it is a noun, atmosphere, mood, feeling. By decorating their house with plastic beach balls and popsicle sticks, the Kramers created a playful ambience that delighted young children. A restaurant's ambience is the look, mood, and feel of the place. People sometimes say that a restaurant has an atmosphere of ambience. To do so is redundant. Atmosphere and ambience mean the same thing. Ambience is the French word that can also be pronounced ambiance. The adjective ambient means surrounding or circulating. Ambiguous, it is an adjective, unclear in meaning, confusing, capable of being interpreted in different ways. We listened to the weather report, but the forecast was ambiguous. We couldn't tell whether the day was going to be rainy or sunny. The poem we read in English class was ambiguous. No one had any idea what the poet was trying to say. The noun is ambiguity. Ambivalent, it is an adjective, undecided, having opposed feelings simultaneously. Susan felt ambivalent about Alec as her boyfriend. Her frequent desire to break up with him reflected this ambivalence.